Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we will show you how to easily generate AI headshots with FlexClip. Log into your FlexClip account first. Scroll down to browse all the preset styles and pick your favorite. Let's take professional as an example. Then, click Continue. Next, choose your gender, hairstyle, attire, background, shot type, and ratio. Before uploading, make sure your photo meets the requirements. You can crop it if needed. Once uploaded, you can also delete, crop, or replace the photo directly. When everything looks good, click Generate. While waiting, you can explore other AI tools or head back to the home page to create more headshots. To check the progress, go to My Creations. Here, you can view all the generated photos. If you're happy with the results, download multiple photos at once. Or, click Recreate to generate new ones. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.